Hello everyone, this is Logan, and welcome to the 9th episode of Tech Time, broadcasting in 720p high definition. Unfortunately, you're going to get shaky camera work with that, so, yeah. Anyway, on to Tech Time. Yes, as if Google wasn't satisfied completely botching YouTube with the new Channel 1 interface, apparently they're coming out with another channel interface which will be mandatory to all users, yes, I know, this June 4th. Now, the point of this, and well, kind of the Channel 1 interface, is cross-branding, meaning it will be relatively close to the same experience on the three major platforms: the phone, the tablet, and the computer. And with this new channel interface, which I don't really know what they're calling it, it's going to add the same kind of interface to even things that run it on your TV. For example, the Roku box and the PlayStation 3, for example. Would you like to see a picture of this new channel interface? Alright, here you go. So yeah, not very impressive. But I will say this, it does seem to have some sort of live tile interface, a bit like Windows Mobile, so, you know, that's a bit promising. But other than that, it just looks a bit too much like Channel 1 for me to upgrade, except I'll have to because it's mandatory. And on another note, very similar to this, apparently the Channel 1 interface has given Google a 20% increase in traffic for some reason. I have no idea why. Anyway, next thing. You know, it seems like Google has quite a history of putting interesting Easter eggs into its search results. For example, there's the always classic do a barrel roll, where if you type that in, it will rotate the search results page 360 degrees. There's also the Google Terminal, which if you type that in and push I'm feeling lucky, it will render Google as if it's an old MS-DOS machine with the world's slowest processor. Well, I think I might have found my second favorite, the favorite of mine being the Google Terminal. So, let's go to my computer and we'll take a look at this new interesting Easter egg. Alright, I'm filming my computer with my iPod like a true professional. So, as you can see, I've typed in Atari Breakout. Now, you're not actually going to do a search. Instead, you're going to go to Google Images. So, let's just push that and wait for it to load a bit. And there you go, a fully playable version of Breakout. As you can see, you can use the mouse, or as I prefer it, the keyboard. Also, all the blocks seem to say 5 days ago for some reason. I don't really get that, but whatever, it's still a cool glitch. Anyway, next thing. Now, just be warned, there's not a lot of information on this one. That's why I'm saving it for the end of the video. But I figured it was kind of important, so I may as well mention it. The next generation to the already popular MacBook Air could be released as early as next month. Now, as I said, there's not a lot of information on this. All I can gather is that it's apparently going to have a better processor and better graphics, but we can probably assume that it could also have things such as maybe a Retina display, maybe possibly more USB ports, things like that. So anyway, that's all for this week. Stay tuned for next week.